Explode the tires! Pull over! Pull over!
Gallo, con frijoles y agua y sal. Mi padre me...
What happened? Where are we? Hey guys! Whoa, what happened?
Hey guys, let's check the engine. Oh man. Hey, Joe. Mayday, Mayday. We need some help. I'm lost in the jungle. Yes. Alright.
There is no one here. There is no one here. Oh, the keys of the truck. Oh, there's not even reception in this place. We can't call emergency. We need help. Oh, what's that?
Oh look, it's a monkey.
Whoa. What's up, niggas? Damn!
Hey, what's up?
Which one should I kill? Those two. Here it goes! Had 2 birds, 1 shot. Had double kill. 2 more for my list.
What's going on here? Hey, I need help! Hey, police! Here I am!
The hell?
Oh, you saved me! Thank God the police come! You beat the pink monkey! Yay! Oh, hey police! I need to search my friends. They are lost in this jungle.
We go for him.
Okay, let's go.
How are you doing here, Jorge?
Yeah.
I find Kawan in the other guy.
Look, girls, 2 of our friends are dead, and we fight against a pink monkey, and it was awful.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Told him, Julio, how it was. He's so bad and mean. He was terrible.
Hi guys.
What's up, niggas?
But where's Kevin?
Hello, it's me. Hey guys, let's check this. The flat is tired.
5.
Recortamos. What's going on here?
Oh,
Oso! Oso! Hey!
Ako minog kaka. Volta. Not. I'm not that nigga.